Hey Jaguars, welcome to another week at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. It's time for our weekly announcements for March the 8th through March the 12th. This is a reminder that all Kingsport City School face-to-face learners will be in session 5 days this week, March the 8th through March the 12th. Our menu for the week is as follows. On Monday, chicken and waffle. Tuesday, baked ziti and garlic bread. Wednesday, egg and cheese omelet. Thursday, yogurt berry parfait. And Friday, muffin yogurt string cheese. Jaguars, please note that on Monday, March the 15th, is a scheduled staff in-service day, so there will be no school on March the 15th, and lunch pickup will not be provided. Jaguars, thank you for continuing to correctly wear your mask, washing your hands often, and practicing social distancing. Please communicate with your teacher if you're not feeling well or someone in your home is under quarantine or is tested positive for COVID. Jefferson families, once again, please familiarize yourself with the FAQ for COVID-19 absences, which are posted on this slide. Submitting an application for tuition and zoning for the 2021-2022 academic year is now available. Parents, this is a reminder that zoning tuition applications must be submitted annually. If you have questions, you may email Jim Nash at jnash@k12k.com or call 423-378-2169. The application information is posted on the Kingsport City Schools District website at www.k12k.com. A huge shout out goes to our cafeteria and custodial staff for receiving another 100% on their health inspection score. This great team of people work extra hard every day to make sure that we are well taken care of. Way to go! You make us Jaguar proud. So come on, Jaguars, please take time to celebrate with these amazing people and let them know how proud we are of them. Thursday, March the 11th is Jefferson Spirit Night from 4 p.m. until 8 p.m. at Chick-fil-A. So go ahead and plan on not cooking on Thursday night, March the 11th, and pick up some Chick-fil-A to take home. Remember to mention you are with Jefferson Elementary when you go through the drive-thru. Let's make this the best Spirit Night Chick-fil-A has ever had. So tell all your friends to come out and support Jefferson by ordering from Chick-fil-A. See you on Thursday. And now it's time to celebrate our Jaguars who have a birthday this week. Celebrating a birthday on March the 8th in 5th grade is Will K. On March the 9th in kindergarten, Logan P. and Miss Katie, our Camelot therapist. On March the 10th, Officer Earls, our SRO. And on March the 11th, celebrating a birthday in 2nd grade is Abigail A. and in 5th grade, Maddie W. Celebrating a birthday on March the 12th, in 3rd grade is Carter P. and on March the 13th in kindergarten is Xavier L. and in 3rd grade, Annabelle T. Happy birthday, Jaguars. I hope you enjoy celebrating this week and just want you to know that we want to sing to you today. Happy birthday, dear Jaguars. Happy birthday to you. And now join me for some words of wisdom. Today I'm going to do something a little different. Today I'm going to ask some questions. Teachers or parents, if you would like, you are welcome to pause this recording after each question to give your students a chance to share their thoughts. I'm sure there are going to be some great answers to these questions. So Jaguars, are you ready? Here we go. What has been your favorite part about school this year? If you could do any moment at school over, what would that look like? Which recent assignment or activity did you feel most confident? If you could change one thing about our school, what would it be? If you had $1,000 to buy something for our school, what would you buy? And where would you put it? And the last question is, if you could choose a school project that would allow our Jefferson Jaguars to be difference makers, what project would you choose? Jaguars, I'm sure there have been some great answers to these questions. So as a class, why don't you send me some of your best class answers? Who knows? Some of your ideas just might become a reality for our school. With something to think about, This is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor, challenging each of us to be a difference maker. And now you may join your teacher or your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.